Congressman Ron Paul is running for president in 2012. This 12-term Republican congressman is known as Dr. No for standing up and saying hell no to big government. He's staunchly opposed to America's myriad of undeclared violent and costly wars. He's a proponent of sound money, and he's as furious as I am at the Federal Reserve for destroying the value of your dollar. And he's brave enough to fight the welfare and the warfare state no matter the political fallout. He's never voted to raise the debt ceiling, and he demands, like you and I, that the government balance its books, just like you and I do. Why do you want to be president of the United States?
Actually, I want to be president, not for the things I want to do, for the things I don't think we should do. Because I don't want to be a president that continues the policing of the world. I don't want to be a president that wants to run your life. And I don't want to be a president that's in charge of the economy. I think that's my main goal, is to show that liberty works and big government doesn't. So therefore, I would want to have less power, not more power.
I've never voted for a tax increase and never will. And everybody knows it, because I'd like to get rid of the income tax. And I don't even want to replace it with anything. I want the government to be shrunk in size. If we get rid of the income tax, we'd still have as much revenue as we had 10 years ago, and we lived up until 1913 without an income tax. The whole point is, why is our government so big? Why are we policing the world? Why do we have a runaway welfare state? And why is our dollar crashing?
Of every dollar that an American earns, how much do you think he or she should be allowed to keep?
Well, I didn't get to answer it. I'm delighted you asked the question, because my answer is 100%, because I don't believe in the income tax. It's a bad system of collecting revenues for the government.
I am Congressman Ron Paul. I've been elected to the Congress 12 times from Texas. Before I went into the Congress, I delivered babies for a living and delivered 4,000 babies. Now I would like to be known and defend the title that I am the champion of liberty, and I defend the Constitution. Thank you.